Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to talk about the effect of substituents on pKa of pyridines. So in last video I already discussed about the pyridine and pyrrole nitrogen type. Now in this video I am going to talk about the effect of substituent on pKa of pyridines. Look at here. We have two positions, we have three positions, we have four positions in pyridine. Look at the molecules pyridine is one position, two position, three positions. So if methyl group is there, then you see the four positions plus and two positions. Three position is different. If you had third butyl at two position, three position and fourth position, you can see the difference. If you have NH2 at two position, three position and four positions, you have the difference here. You see, this is the markable in each case three position. If you have NHAC at two position, three position and four position. If you have OME, two position, three positions and four position. SME, two position, three position, four position. Look at the values of pK and decide the acidity and basicity. Cl at two position, three position, four position. So this is very important table for competitive exams. Now you see pH means phenyl, not that pH. CH2 double bond CH2, Cn NO2 and CHOH whole 2. Two positions, this type of value. Three positions and four position. This is two position, this is three position, this is the four positions. So what is the effect, and you remember it, this table is very important for the competitive exams. How you will decide how this value is variations. So variations of basicity and the positions of effect of substituent on pKa of pyridines and different positions. So friends, positive sign indicate more basic than pyridine and negative sign indicate less basic than pyridine. So you see this positive sign more basic than pyridine and this is less basic than pyridine. This is quinoline and isoquinoline. So that is also a good questions. Now approximate acidity of pKa increment. Effect of alpha methyl groups compared in quinoline. You see here this is without methyl, this is with methyl. Now 5.4 more and 4.9 less. The difference 0.5. And in pyridine, 2 methyl pyridine, you see difference 0.8. So positive indicate more basic than pyridine. Look at here, effect of alpha phenyl group compared in the emitter source. You see this is the substituents here and without substituent. Here 6.4, here 7.00, difference minus 0.6. Here you can see 2 pH pyridine minus 0.7. So this is the difference. Now steric effect of alpha substituent on reaction of electrophiles at ring nitrogen. You see the ring nitrogen, near nitrogen, near nitrogen. Now here 1 methyl, here 2 methyl, here third butyl. So on pK value is small except in the steam case of 2,6-tri third butyl where steric hindrance to solvation is found. Increment from pyridine is given. You see here the difference. Here T-butyl, here methyl. Here more steric hindrance, here less. So this is the difference. Due to this reason, this is the difference. For all other electrophiles, much larger as measured by heat of formation, except when chelation can occur. You see, this is BF3 minus N plus, BF3 N plus. Now there is a substituent and both sides of substituent. So here is more, here is less kilocalorie. Here in between. Now dependence on size ring. You see this is the 6-member ring and this is the 5-member ring. Very important in 6-member ring, this methyl and this 60 degree. And you see this methyl, this nitrogen is 72. So least important in 5-member ring, ring size, very important in 6-member ring. So electrophilic attack at ring nitrogen, Lewis acid and metal. Ring nitrogen here, here, here. Now these are coordinating compounds, BH3, AlCl3. So sulfonating agent, hydrogenating agent and AlCl3. So you see different type of Lewis acid give coordination compounds. Now metal ion from simple complexes. So heterocycles 4M planar and heterocycle 6M octahedral, where heterocycles oxazole, isoxazole, imidazoles, triazoles, pyridines etc. Look at here, biphenyl, bipyridyl, NN, bipyridyl, 8-hydroxyquinoline, you see 8-hydroxyquinoline and porphyrin, and this is very important compounds. So metal ion from chelated complex with suitability substituent and derivative. You see 2 nitrogen making the chelate, 2 nitrogen and oxygen making the chelate, here nitrogen making the chelate. So electrophilic attack at ring nitrogen, alkyl halide or sulfonates. Reactions with anionic species occurs very rarely. It is anionic species, and this is anionic species. So there is a difference in the positions. Here 1, 2, 3 positions, and here 1, 2 position. With Ri, example in liquid ammonia undergo PTC conditions. Now reaction with the neutral species occurs quite rarely. You see nitrogens, 1, 3 position, 1, 2 positions, here in the 6 PTC with alkyl iodide ROTs at 20 degree to 20 to 100 degree conditions. Now reaction of cyclic nitrogen with electrophiles, reaction sequence. Attack on neutral molecules. With 2 annular nitrogen atom, electrophilic attack occur at the pyridine-like multiply bonded nitrogen. This is the pyridine-like, not this. So if electrophile come, then will attack here. You see the positive minus H plus, then substitution occur this nitrogens. Here you see this is the pyridine-like nitrogen, pyrrole line nitrogen, so reaction occurs here. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.